All right, my friends, our new unit. It's about the American Revolution. So to start off with, I found this story about a soldier during the American Revolution. Now there's three different levels. Just the first one's a little easier, the second one's more medium, the third one's a little bit harder. Any of them are fine. They're the same story, so no matter which one you pick, same thing. Just pick one that's a good fit for you. Once you read the story, then you are going to write about it. You are going to pretend that you are Joseph, so pretend that you are this soldier in 1776. Write a journal entry explaining how it feels to be an American soldier. Okay, you're going to write at least 5 sentences and include at least 3 details from the story. So tell me what he eats, what he's feeling. Is he excited? Is he scared? And so you are going to write it in first person. If you want to write it as like a letter to someone, like Dear Mom, pretend like you're writing home to his mom, or you can just say, Dear Diary, Dear Journal, I am feeling this. I can't believe I have to eat this. I am proud because of this. So at least 5 sentences. So it is a little bit longer than some of the things we write. And then when I say 3 details from the story, tell me like if it gives a detail about where they went or what sort of weapons they used, what things they ate, things like that. Now, when you click on this, I'm not sure exactly what it'll look like. I get an option to open it with Cami if you want to listen to it. If you're having trouble figuring that out, obviously just let me know since I'll be there. But this is just sort of a good introduction, get you excited about this unit and learning more about the American Revolution. So you can see it's like, oh my gosh, it's 6 pages, but some of the pages are mostly pictures, a lot of images to look at, maps, different vocabulary words. So really take advantage of this as a learning opportunity and enjoy reading this story. Make sure once you've opened up your Word document, your Google Doc, and typed your journal entry, that you then submit it so that you can move on to the next thing. And again, if you're having trouble with anything, just let me know. Enjoy!